Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan Mushtaba. Welcome back to me. After very long time, I'm recording this rise action and Bitcoin analysis. It will not be like giving you exact levels or like intraday. I will only show you high time frame view. Still, I am bullish. Why I am bullish? Price making higher highs, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it is making higher low right now. Then it will continue again towards a higher high. The price is bullish, and on this is monthly time frame. On weekly time frame, if you see from this level, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, it is making higher high right now. We are retracing back towards higher low levels. Then we will tag another higher high. So this was the previous all-time high here, which are important levels. When these level will arrive, we will let check it out those levels. Until then, we will focus on our November candle. November was a good month. It was a bombastic month, bombastic candle we created. And then December came, we had a huge fair value gap behind this candle, so it was obvious that we will came back to fill this gap a bit. At least we will tap it and then we will react towards go towards high. We did like this in initial start of November. December we retraced a bit towards this gap, and then we goes high as much as of 107k, and then we retraced back, and this shit is going on like past few weeks, like 2 weeks. The price action was choppy, and most of you are liquidating yourself, and all blah blah blah. All things were going alongside. But what next now? So on monthly basis, last month high we had an important level, and we had this level as well. The closing of November. Nothing much on what I say on monthly candle. So I will go back towards. I will start removing these kind of levels as well once we will conclude our analysis. We will start going towards analysis. Now first I will show you the part towards downside. Downside we will go as much as low towards 73 75k. This is a probability possibility. It is crypto and everyone knows anything can happen in crypto. So this is my lowest level here. Yes, it price if price came here, I wish it should came down here. So we reload more, like come down here and do something like this, consolidate here and then another leg up. But for that we should break this level on weekly. This is weekly level. You have to mark this. When a whole body with When a candle with a whole body and wicks, included wicks, closed below down here, like that candle didn't touch tap yet or touch here or retest this level. No, I want full candle like this candle is closed above this level. Same way, if a red candle below this level on weekly, you are you should be prepared for this, and you should prepare for at least this level as well, because this was a previous support. So until unless we are good, we are going good and we will go up. Don't follow noise. So weekly we had this level, and this is the current resistance we had. This is weekly resistance here, and we are currently making weekly support as well here in this zone. So it is not confirmed yet. After weekly closure, we will confirm that is it a current support or not. So back to daily chart now. On daily, we will see which level is of our interest. Both levels are of our interest. Look at this level working as an SR flip, bang, 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 and this is acting as a resistance. This is weekly resistance here, and we had this is weekly level. We should not close below this level. This is around 90k. Yes, we should not close below here. Okay. Oh, now as you know, this is the high of November and this is the closing price of November. I will remove it. We'll keep weekly resistance. In future, it will work. I will resettle it up here. And now focus on Bitcoin chart. This is from here. Uh, December 30th November, 1st of December from here till here. This is the range of December. Like this was the first day of December. We created low, then high, retest, high created, then we again retested down here. Now important levels to be concluded or to be look at it here is this one. This is important resistance. We have flip here. We will tap weekly resistance easily. But on daily, I will not go in depth like that much depth. I will just mark some ranges like this was the slaughterhouse range. If you remember this one, first we got up and then we dumped like this, both sides spread it out. Then we, for reference, I will like do something like this. Where is the height? And this is important. Okay. So now this is the range. Focus on it. It's a good range here. We had a range, mid range. We goes up, deviated back, bank, but we didn't tag range low here. So we were expecting something like this. Came sweep here and then go up. But till now, no sweep, nothing happened here. So all good. And we had daily demand here, and in this demand we have a small h4 order block as well. First I will cover this lower zone, then I will go towards higher zone, so that will be easy for me and you too as well. This is the this was at 88, 87k level. This was the order block. I thought if price came down here and then bang, 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 so it might sweep this one. We had this one, the important level, which is acting as an internal liquidity as well. Internal liquidity as well. So what I was expecting that price, if price bounce here, yes, this bounce was expected, came down, sweep into order block, and then start moving towards upside and go for this the whatever internal liquidity is left above, and then we will see what we can do next. But this is the range high, mid range, and then what we did, like we didn't tap range low, neither we swept it, so they are front running our bids. Now I will come back to lower time frame and show you some important support and resistance. So this was the zone H4, support was here, and this is the H4 resistance. So H4 support worked really good. Now it's time for resistance. Let's see price came back, or if H4 closes above here, yes, we will look for a good scalp long in this zone from towards range high, or at least towards this supply, small supply here, because structure was lower high, lower low created. So this is your H4 bearish order block as well here. So if H4 closing above here, like we H4 is will be closed in like 1 hour and 20 minutes, it will be confirmed. Once it closes above here, yes, a good opportunity of long will be here towards this supply, and then what I'm expecting it that it tab here and then come down slowly down, except below, and then go. This will be the short I will look for. And with this short, I will also look to short here. If I got some long here, like 2 3 hour here on lower time frame, then yes, I will execute this short as well. This will be my legendary short I will look for, and then we'll see whether to TP or not. Okay, now on H1, if I convert to H1, what I am expecting with this move yesterday, I was expecting us slowly down towards come down here in this zone to test. This is our retesting level is still pending here. This is my retesting level. So I will remove this. These are the support. Support was played out. Resistance is also playing out perfectly. One tap rejected. Another retest is going up until unless it doesn't played out. I will wait. I will wait for that. But keep this in mind. Need chart is also important here. On lower time frame on M15, if you see that this is a breaker as well. So this was a lower time frame, what we call bearish order block or supply. So it is aligning this my retesting level as well here. So if we got what I am expecting is that come down here, give me something like this. I have bids. I have already bids there. Stop is below here. And what I'm targeting this H4 supply. So this was a 3 hour setup. Let's see whether it will confirm here or not. Let's see. We will wait for that until unless we will focus on the recent PA. We are above mid range, high created, low created, deviation. So the confirmation is still this one that close something above this level. Close above that will confirm our bias towards upside. For degen traders, and I should not go towards 15 minutes because when I upload this move will already happen. So I will wait for this H4 closer above here. Some kind of flag is also making, so there are possibility we didn't retest and we straight go up towards this level. Okay. So what if this rejected and how to short? Now short. I will personally wait for like something MSB here. That will be okay. Because I am not shorting. Create some highs and structure shift, then or retest bit and then move like this. Until then, I will avoid shorting because when this move was happening and those who knows me, they know that I was buying in spot. When this move was doing its shit, I bought some altcoins here, I bought here, I bought here as well. So already I have DCA'd my alt positions very much. I am too much exposed right now to the market. So what I am expecting if it comes towards my level, then I will long it. Until then, I will avoid shorting because I am exposed too much to the market. So I will upload some profits, then I will very think about shorts, but I'm not looking at short to be honest. But this is what is possible here. Tagged here and then come down because we have uh, Christmas. It was a Christmas, I think. Something is day. Quaid Azam was also born. Muhammad Ali Jinnah today. His birthday. It is nothing much. Okay. Now back to the important charts. Huh. If you are following me, you know this setup. Remove this. You know this one. BTC dominance. All in all. We did really good here. We ride this whole rally. So what the future of altcoins or what will BTC dominance will do? BTC dominance will go down, nothing else. Simple is that. Why it will go down? Look at this channel. We break down, we reclaimed, and we are retesting this zone. We again retested this supply and we reject it quite heavily. So this is the support, the nearest support which is found here, and we are when price BTC dominance came down here at 55. We will see that how it will react here, because this is support we are forming up. We are having support here, and we are currently forming a resistance. But another thing is that channel mid range was rejecting quite good. Mid range is rejected here, and now on daily yesterday it was a good day before yesterday, all pumped good. So a small rally here, and now we are retesting. We retested mid range, and then we are going back. Will retest, might be somewhere here, and then we start slowly coming down. So alts are good, yes, good. But another thing, which is USDT dominance, that is not good. I will. I am a bit cautious on USDT dominance, because if you see that this is very important and interesting level on USDT dominance, I have marked earlier in this month. So when USDT dominance was somewhere here, I marked this zone and it reacted pretty well. That's the reason behind the Bitcoin dump. So we had this trend line, we break out and we grabbed all the liquidity above. Now the decision will be made here. This daily order block, this is the daily order block created here. What if we came down here, we take support and we then go up? Probability number one. If this happened, I will get out from my alt position, because then this is the internal liquidity they left and they will target it. When this move happens, Bitcoin will again shit show. And the another probability which I am thinking and where is very likely to happen, that the fake out. Fake out we did. Many will think we are taking support here. Get out from your BTC position, your Ethereum position, your alt positions. Get out here. And what we do, something one, two, and then boom, and everything pumped. So this is what I am thinking, and I am looking at the fake out. A high probability here. We break out here. Retest bidding. It means many will get out from their positions here. Small bounce. Yes, we sold the top. We sold the top. We sold the top. Everywhere you will see that, and then one more candle breakdown here. Or now, if you are not breaking it here, close daily below there. But there are chances that we retest, we take support in this zone as well. So these are the two probabilities. Let's see which one will be uh, played out and act accordingly. Okay, the right now this is my Bitcoin setup. If anyone wants to copy me, that lower time frame demand is here, higher time frame. These are the important levels, which I already explained it to you. This is the internal range. This move was I marked as a range. So what I'm expecting, it price came back here, fill me up, and then go to the supply zone. Yes, this is what it is. And if price did something like crazy shit towards this is your stinky bid area. Whole zone is your stinky bid. Stops should be below here. Avoid stops, so you should easily accumulate as much as you can. With Bitcoin, another is one is an Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the most demanded coin right now in the market. What Ethereum high time frame? Probability of a 3 tap at 43,780, 4380, and ATH is this one. So I will go for ATH. These are two levels above. Okay, structure wise it's bullish. Previous supply was here, but it didn't work out quite well. Now this SR zone is working out well. Hello, sir. This one. So this is the resistance we had. We had very good resistance on Ethereum. We tapped, rejected, we tapped, rejected, we tapped third time. So it kind of making head and shoulder here. Break bank. This is a possibility. If this setup played out, I just noticed this one. I didn't had first. We are going for 7K. Fuck me. Hopefully. It's crypto, anything can happen. Okay. Back to the charts. Not going in depth on Ethereum, why I marked this and why I marked that. This is a demand, excluding wick because it's a too much wick. Too many, it's a big wick. And with this demand, we have, oh, Bitcoin. I think I forget one more thing. Okay, I will go back towards Bitcoin as well once more. So this is a daily demand. Yes, we loaded many that from here in this zone till here I loaded ETH too much. ETH, I am in profit right now. Alhamdulillah. But what is the probability of going up? Probability is that we are going up. So this is resistance, this is demand. It means those who bought here sell here. Simple, nothing. And see not much too much things. Remove this. Now important two levels I will mark here for intraday. This is the range high, range low. High swept didn't retest his bang. Low swept didn't retest his go, then retest deviation. So there are probability that we deviate above here, Ethereum. Once we reclaim in here, maybe daily close above here in this zone, or H4, 2, 3 H4 candles in this zone, and we are good. You can long stops here and target here. Simple is that Ethereum. Don't do over complicated things because BTC dominance I already showed you is weak. Is weak. It is going down and it will go down. It is trying from yesterday. It first tap, two tap, third tap. It is going up H4. Let's see how H4 will close here, and then you can pop up into the Ethereum. With Bitcoin, the one more thing which I have to mention, like one liner. Everything remove. Okay, Suhan, tell me where should be the confirmation of long MSB, higher time frame MSB. With this, we have like, okay, fuck it. Close above here, one candle on H3, H4. We are going towards this level. One, two candle close above, we are going up. Above here, we are bullish. We are totally bullish. So these are the important levels. I remove this one because lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, because lower low didn't create it. It will create now higher high. Once we created higher high, okay, sir, this supply will react. That's the reason I told you that I will not short. I will not short because of this MSB. Because when price came up here like this, if in case a giant wick came up here, then I am not saying that. But price came up like this slowly up here in this supply tag there, then don't short because internal structure will shift. Look at this structure here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. This is higher low because new low didn't create it here. Higher low. Now this is the lower high zone. Close above here, this will create higher high, and then it will come back towards create new higher low like this, and then it will go up like to create new higher high and higher low. So this was the last thing on Bitcoin. And other alts, when Bitcoin start moving smoothly, you can long anything on daily basis anytime, because you know that then alts will perform how they will perform, you know really well. Total 3, what is total 3 is doing? Total 3 is doing good. Nothing much, liquidations, and then it's moving smoothly. It will go up to tag this liquidity, and the big resistance is coming down up here, like in this zone, like 1.08 trillion might be. So we have a room. We have good room for ours. So this is it from my side, and at the end I will post. Okay, so this is it. Where I post my setups, free Discord. You can find everything in description, and you can join there as well. Thank you to still tuning till last. See you